Jason Chapman here with MarineMax and Rogers Minnesota. We're really excited. A brand new 2022 Sea Ray 190 SPX just came in. As you can see here, we went with white upper and black hull bottom. And also we have the bimini open as well. Coming back here to the transom, you've got your stainless steel ladder that extends, and also a manual swim platform. This is powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury stern drive. Let's go inside and check out the interior of this boat. Welcome inside this brand new 2022 190 SPX. As you can see here, we have a nice big entryway into the boat. We went with the stone upholstery and also the stone infinity woven vinyl flooring. Over here at the captain's chair, this is a bucket seat that does swivel and it goes forwards and backwards. And it also has a bolster seat on there as well. Got tilt steering wheel, your standard tax right here, and then your depth gauge. This is powered by Fusion Audio, great sound quality on this boat. And then we also went with stainless steel components. You can see on the grab rails and cup holders. Over here on the port side, we have the standard bench seating. So you can have a couple sitting right here, or you can pop this up and then turn it into a single seat facing forward. This does have in-floor storage right underneath here. Right now we just have the cover for the boat in there. And again, plenty of storage around this 190 SPX. Right here we've got a glove box and then more storage underneath here. Nice windshield that comes over and locks into place. And also up here in the bow, plenty of seating, and then we have storage under both sides as well. So guys, come on down to Rogers and check out this brand new 190 SPX. Either walk in or make an appointment, and we look forward to seeing you. Thanks.